Here we go, the BMW 335i, we're getting an official test drive, let's plant it! This is broken! There's no point in doing this! Someone's gonna get ripped up when they buy this! This is broken! Broken! Okay, we're gonna try and do it around the island. Okay, you reckon we're in sport? We've got foot flat, we got... Well, let's do it! This is fucked out of his head! Look at this! What's that? Ah! Neil, you saved yourself a journey! I didn't know this was gonna be like this! Woo! We're not even doing a handy! We've got some brakes! We'll flick it! No flicking! The exhaust of this car is dead! It's got slower! I'm not even gonna bother going for the overtake! Gear change! Oh yeah! Car fucked!